Hello from Slovenia again. Today it's an International Women's Day celebration to all the women and all that we accomplished in last 100 and more years. And also the things that's going on in our continent, this nonsense about war. So that's why I decided that I will use some blues and yellows today. And this is Vallejo Cyan Blue Dark, and I have my Pearl White, Amsterdam Nickel Titanium Yellow, Amsterdam Primary Yellow, Amsterdam Azo Yellow, Deep and Golden Nickel Azo Gold. And I will do a reverse flower dip with this 3D printed cup from paintpourstore.com. You can buy you can get one with the 50% discount code that you find into the description box. And in the end of this video I will show you my birthday gift. Tomorrow, March 9, I will turn 50. So, a milestone, I will say. But I still feel young in my heart, so forever young. I want to be forever young. Want to be, that's how I am. So stay tuned at the end. It's an interesting story about it, so I will show you at the end. Now I will put my base coat down. I already painted my canvas with this blue paint because it's not, opaque. So want to have my canvas covered. I will put my base coat down and we'll be right back. So my base coat is down. I marked the middle just to help me find the middle. I will put my 8 petal 3D printed cup on my canvas now, and let's start pouring. I will start with some pearl white, some of this nickel titanium yellow, and primary yellow, and pearl white again. And Azo yellow dip, and Azo nickel Azo gold by golden. Now I will turn this around a little bit because I used to kind of pour on one side. I think pearl white again. It's nickel. Hope that I will not have a lot of blue in the middle to turn out green. We will see. And primary yellow and pearl white. Say so. Dip return it again. Pearl white again. And I think that I want to end up with these lighter yellows today, not with the darker one. So let's do this one and primary yellow. And I think that I will add the deep yellow too, not the Coneco, no, nickel gold. Now I will grab my skewer to draw some petal lines. Like that. Maybe I should add a little bit of nickel anyway. Just a little bit. Let's add some pearl white. Just a touch of nickel. Okay, that should do. So let's remove my cup, and now I will look at this middle, and I will try to bring a little more of, I think that it will be a lot of white, but I don't mind. Because I kind of wanted some kind of white painting with a flower with a little, like a daisy or something, with a little bit of yellow. Okay, now I will spray my paper napkin with water. I have to use the clean one. Just to soften it up a little bit. Okie doke. And the middle of my napkin in the middle of my flower, and the other half, tap it a little bit to make sure, just to make sure that your paint touches napkin, touch the paint. And let's leave that. Oop. Hope that didn't mess it up totally. Yay! What a beauty! Wow, love it! So let's torch a little bit to see if some magic will happen. And And I'm glad that I added um, nickel azo at the end too. I will just pour a little of my base coat around just to smooth it out a little bit. It will level out, but just to help. And maybe, just maybe, I will give it a baby spin. I will see, because while I'm doing this, the lacing will develop, so I will see how it will look like, if I want to spin it or not. So as I said, don't forget, after the close-up you will see my birthday gift. I want that for so long. So it was really something for me. No, I will not spin it out because I like that there is a blue background, and it's still not centered, even though that you see, it's so hard to get it totally centered. But nothing is perfect in life, neither my flowers, but this one is gorgeous. I think really like it because it's soft but yet beautiful. So let me take you down for a close-up. Here it is. As I said, I wanted to use those colors to say that I just don't approve any war anywhere. And this war in Ukraine is just crazy, I think. Probably the whole world, almost all the people agree with me. But everyone can have their own opinions. This is just mine. But this flower is so beautiful. And I like a little bit of blue in the middle. It doesn't bother me at all. So happy International Women's Day, and happy birthday tomorrow to me. Stay tuned if you want to see my present, or see you on the next one. Bye. Just I want to show you my early birthday gift. Maine Coon. And this is her name, official name, before she came. Neradol. So let me introduce you, little Fiona. 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 Say hi. She's a wild one.